Hello everybody, welcome to Tim's Motorcycle Adventures. Today we are going on an epic adventure. Hopefully, this is Monday morning. I caught the 7 a.m. ferry. I live on Vancouver Island, and so you have to catch a ferry to go anywhere. But today we are heading to Edmonton, and then after my conference, up to the Yukon. And so we're all packed and we're ready to go. Just on the ferry waiting for us to get to the other side, and I'll try to do some videos along the way. This should be a really great trip. Unfortunately, there's some rain in the forecast, but that's okay. We got all the rain gear. We're ready to go. So yeah, it would just come along with me, and we'll do this adventure together. Well, day one is in the books. Rode from Victoria over the ferry and all the way up to Valemount. I was planning on camping around Mount Robson, and basically it just rained the entire time, and my riding pants soaked through. And I was just kind of cold and wet, and got to Valemount and thought, you know what? I'm too old to camp in the rain. So there was a hotel available, and so I grabbed it. You know what? Sometimes that's just the better thing to do, right? You got to take care of yourself and know your limits. And so I'm in this hotel. It's not the nicest hotel, but it's not too bad. It'll work. And so tomorrow I'll ride to Edmonton and spend a few days at conference, and then we're heading north. So should be fun.